Algebra 1B. So we made it to week 8 through e-learning. Good job, guys. You made it. Okay, this is our last week of the quarter. So I need you guys this week, week 8, our last week, to make sure that you submitted everything for week 7. Okay? Because then you're going to be looking at Focus and you're going to see your test grades. Now, I create this video the week before, so currently you're watching this in week 8. I'm creating this in week 7, and it is Thursday. As of Thursday, only 6 students out of 145 Algebra 1B students that I have, 6 have completed the test for the week. That is terrible. Friends, you have to do your work. I've sent messages everywhere. I've called a lot of parents. You guys got to do your work. So unfortunately, you guys don't get to retake it. You have to do the error log, okay? And if you did take the test, thank you. But if you scored lower than a 60%, you still have to do that error log, because I'm going to tell you guys right now, friends, most of you are not going to pass the class without that test grade in, higher than a 0. So you guys need to do your error logs. Again, there is the video posted on how to complete it. There it is. To complete an error log, the error log is here. And if you did not take the test on Alex, you have to look at this test I attached. If you did take it on Alex, you have to go to Alex and click test 2 to do the error log. It'll say closed, I think, but you can still open it up and see which questions you got wrong. Now, back to the checklist. After you guys do that, you have 2 notes this week. You have proportions and percent of change. I will tell you right now, the percent of change notes are long, so you're probably going to have to write on the back side of them. All right, just a warning right now. And then your interactive notebook check. Friends, I told you that this is like the Bible of the class since day 1. All right, I am tough on grading because there's not that much that you guys have to do. You guys are supposed to be making sure that your table of contents is completed, and we always write notes on the right side, okay? As you see, there's nothing on, well, that's separate. There's nothing on here, on my left side, okay? This side is always blank because we do practice problems there. But like I said, percent of change notes are long, so I had to write on the back side, all right? So back to this assignment, you guys are gonna have to submit a video of your notebook. And of course, I gave you another video. This one is 1 minute. You guys are gonna watch this so you know exactly what your notebook needs to look like, so you get a full grade for this. I don't know if you guys are going to be e-learning quarter 2 with me still, if you're going to go to school, if you're going to be hybrid, I don't know. But no matter who your teacher is quarter 2, all the Algebra 1B teachers, we use the intensive notebook, and each Algebra 1B teacher, week 1, quarter 2, they're going to be checking those notebooks. So I'm making sure that your notebook is in check right now. And if you had me quarter 2, it's going to be an easy A because you're going to have the same assignment again. So that is all for this week. If you're watching this video, your last chance for extra credit, send me a message on Remind. If you do not have Remind, go to the How-To folder and sign up, although you should already be signed up. You are going to answer the question, what are you doing quarter 2? So you are going to send me if you're e-learning, hybrid, or 5-day. 5-day means you go to school all 5 days. So your message is either going to say e-learning, hybrid, or 5-day. Send it on Remind. I would like to know what you guys are doing. So that is your extra credit. As always, if you guys need any help or have any questions, just let me know. Happy week 8.